Kapain Mount School hakasing thoding jong katayo kalapen long ya kaching Rakhe ya kaching dap chispa arphausan snem ne ka Quasquicentennial Jubilee hakaching jing shakri hakaban penang pensta de ke khana kajalla kum shibanta jong ka ne kaching Rakhe lapen long ya ki program ba pher hakane kasngi
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kajala Pak Presiden dan Song Kumukongsan haga jing Rakhe jong ka School Pine Mount. Ula plat pat ba ya ka souvenir jong ka School Kebelaseng haga snem syajar pras Pak Prabowo. Haga baledon lang Menteri Ketenak Puliputi Urakam Esangma unong ai but Ketenak Puliputi uba HM Syangpliang kino hikai ki kena School bat kibai belasyak khot sungobha. Urakam Esangma haba jingkran ulong bagi sarkar kelabu hakmat ke Puliputi bat kalabha bo ne ka mang tengka ne ka benta ban penbiang ya ki jingtai jingshna hagi jaka puli. Uba Presiden Tensong ulong belas sedang da ka barit ikene ka sekolah henry menta kala poisan jaka kerdan ka bahaya. Bar ule penpauru ik jing sengau sarong bagadai tang ka Pine Mount School na Meghalaya. Bat kato kene teli ki sekolah na ka thanchte na mingi kabla kenjo ka kerdan bandon haka kerdan ka arpulai. Ulang bagani ke sekolah kelentio sejrong ya ke kerdan mereka dur jang ke Meghalaya. Bat kani beteng bandai abhas usuk ban poisan ke kerdan ke Pasipau hakari berok kawe.
I was surprised to hear that petition is made to the government if it can be extended, if not fully, maybe partly of the Lydia Japan. If I am correct, is it true? Okay. So my suggestion to all of you is, please meet me maybe in few weeks from today. Meet me with your presentation, with your paperwork. Then I will take it up with the government. Please do that. I was just sharing with our education minister, with our advisor to education. We wanted to beautify this campus more. As already mentioned by the Honorable Minister Education, the renovation, new construction has just started and more to be started. 4.4 crores plus almost 2 crores, it's almost 6 or 7 crores is being invested in your campus. We would like to spend more, we would like to invest more in beautification of this campus. Like your playground. The playground remains as it is. So why not we beautify it? So my suggestion and my request to the management authority, come up with your proposal. Please come up with your proposal. We will make sure this premier school again serve better than before. What a joyous day today as we go back to the past, the history of this school, the present, and let us all go also remember the future of the school. From the government, as far as education sector is concerned, let me just tell you, in the year 2024-25 financial year, the budget allocation made by the government to education sector is rupees 3,538.6 crores, ended up to 31st March 2025. And I'm happy to inform you that the current financial year, we have again passed the budget and the budget allocation for the entire education sector in the year 2025 up to 2026 has been enhanced to rupees 3,635.4 crores. And let me just tell you, you need to know the budget allocation in the state of Meghalaya being earmarked by the government from year to year is the highest allocation made to education sector.